So this is German 30 on a daily time frame. Structure, bullish. Sentiment, past three candles have been very bullish. I was quite hesitant to trade this today because of this wick here on the first sentiment candle, purely because it looks like a rejection, but because of the structure was just so clear, I went to scale in for buy position. Going on to the hour, at first, I think pre stock exchange, like key level was just here, which is at the lows, which actually made a whole load of sense. It's just that after stock exchange printed, it kind of came all the way down to this level. So there's actually a little bearish candle here. It's kind of a doji. I didn't even notice when I was out that this was a doji. But yeah, it was at this key level, kind of engulfing this whole sort of candle here. Um, then scaling down on the 30, I could see that it was kind of touching these two like sort of area. So I was like, okay, it probably is a key level sort of in that zone. And then I didn't really check it on the 15 that much, but yeah, still sort of the same idea, like body closures and rejections of wicks in this area. Surprise actually came down like past stock exchange, which would have been here, and it actually melted through. And then we got to around here, and I saw this form of depletion, not on the 15, it was actually on the 5. So I could see that price was kind of reacting off this key level and slowing down. Like it touched here, it went back to bullish, went back in, massive wick to the downside, and like started sort of to form like some extended form of depletion. I wasn't that confident on this trade, funny enough, and I did like it got to around here, and I said something looks very dodgy. I still decided to enter because I was just itching to enter, to be honest. So yeah, price slowed down. It got to about here. I saw that it went through the key level, but I was like, nah, it could wick on the hourly. So I expected it to kind of wick and then like shoot back up and like basically create a doji on this candle, which I mean it sort of did here actually, but I kind of expected the same sort of thing and just for it to fly up to this key level. If I'm being honest. So yeah, this isn't even a 1 to 2. So yeah, it just shows like how little preparation this is. But yeah, so that's I guess that's what it would have looked like here on TradingView. But I didn't have TradingView open at the time. I only had the actual C Trader open, like the broker instead. So yeah, saw depletion, and I actually used this as my change of character because I was actually quite zoomed in on C Trader, and I guess oh wait, yeah, this was my change of character. So yeah, and I saw that it broke past, and I was like, oh okay, well it's been rejecting here, so it has no reason to come back down past like this sort of zone. So I mean, this has a lot of breathing room. It was just a lot size I was using. And I don't want it to be tight anyway. But as you can see, I entered off here, which would have been depletion here. So normally my depletion candles look very sideways. This one was kind of gradually down, and I was expecting it to shift, change the character above here, and push up. So that's why I thought it looked dodgy, because I haven't actually seen this in a long time, and I don't really trade this sort of depletion anymore. I trade more of a consolidation. But yeah, it went down, entered, change a character. It almost broke this, I guess, but it didn't. Straight into drawdown, as you can see. Went back here. I didn't even like see this movement happen because I just couldn't check the charts today. And I couldn't set any alerts, so I literally just entered and set SL. I didn't even set TP. That's how like little time I had. I think I did it on my account that was very close to passing because I didn't actually need a 1 to 2. I needed just like way less. Um, and then yeah, I was kind of consolidating, which again I kind of anticipate for German 30 most days. But the time I entered was a bit odd because as you can see, it's like 4:10. So I kind of expected it. Once I saw this, because I saw this, I kind of thought, okay, I have probably lost for the day because it broke below here, closed below here, and like if the movement is happening at like past 4 o'clock, I just expect it to melt down. But yeah, it was consolidating, and then yeah, finally did that final push meltdown to SL. I was not confident at all in this trade. If I'm being honest, I kind of thought this was a dodgy looking trade when I took it, but I still just was like I was kind of rushing, panicking. I just kind of took the trade just to take the trade. Probably shouldn't have, but it was all right. I would have gave myself probably like a 2 out of out of 10. Funny enough, so yeah, wasn't confident at all. And yeah, I already said what I expected to happen. Yeah, upon reflection, I could have just not traded this. Like I already had a gut feeling that this would look like my trader's intuition, if you want to say that this was just off, just because doesn't like this is probably the better change of character that would have faked me out. Like with this candle here, if I entered off that, as you can see, it's a change of character. It's like sideways depletion. I would have just got fucked anyway. So it just literally melted down. As you can see, it hit SL, funny enough, and then it, kind of went almost to break even again. In any other case scenario, I guess I don't get tagged out and I just close it at session close, and I'm like, what, down a couple dollars or bucks or whatever. But yeah, as you can see, this key level is clearly like validated somehow because it is reacting again and it's trying to push down. So what I anticipate for tomorrow, which is Friday, is the open to probably be back at the SL or above this sort of key level, but we'll see. But overall, this trade was a shite. Shouldn't have taken it. I did just take it just to take it. I guess that's my lesson learned. It's just don't rush trading. Like there's just no point. Like I just rushed the position, not rushing to like become profitable or anything. Just like don't rush. If the trade don't make sense and you kind of have this weird feeling, and you're not confident, like 2 out of 10, come on, I should have just not taken it. But I kind of want to just get that experience. I shouldn't have taken it, but whatever. It's fine. I don't really care about it too much. But yeah, that's my trading update for the day. So reflection is just don't do dumb shit like this again and take this random trade because even the key level is off this and this doesn't make any sense. Like it should have retested here, and after I saw this melt, I should have just closed the chart. I looked at it later, I saw this, I was like, I could make it work. And obviously it's not that I have to make it work. I have to adjust myself to the charts because the charts don't care. Right? I don't want the charts to come here. Like the charts aren't gonna just come here and be like, yeah, you know what? He wants the key level there. It's gonna shoot up. Nah, that's not how it works. So yeah, I guess that's my lesson. Relearn again is accommodate for the charts. Don't try and make the charts accommodate for you. That's my key takeaway. But yeah, overall bad trading day, I guess. But it doesn't really matter. It's a good way to learn. The quote the quote. I don't know if I said it on one of the early ones, but it's a great quote. It's if you win, you win. If you lose, you learn. So today I just learned. That's it. Yeah, that's my update.